In today's highly competitive and rapidly evolving business landscape, effective cost management has become a critical factor in determining an organization's success and long term viability. Traditional cost management approaches, which often rely on historical data and reactive decision making, are no longer sufficient to keep pace with the complexity and uncertainty of modern markets. To stay ahead of the curve, forward thinking organizations are turning to predictive analytics, harnessing the power of machine learning, forecasting models, and real time cost monitoring systems to optimize their financial performance and drive strategic growth. This article explores the transformative potential of predictive analytics in cost management, focusing on machine learning applications, forecasting model development, and real time cost monitoring systems. Understanding predictive analytics in cost management. Predictive analytics is a branch of advanced analytics that uses historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify patterns and predict future outcomes. In the context of cost management, predictive analytics involves leveraging vast amounts of financial and operational data to forecast costs, identify risk factors, and optimize resource allocation. The key benefits of predictive analytics in cost management include improved accuracy. Predictive models can process large volumes of data from multiple sources, identifying complex patterns and relationships that may not be apparent through traditional analysis. This leads to more accurate cost forecasts and a better understanding of cost drivers. Proactive decision making. By predicting future costs and identifying potential risks, organizations can make informed decisions and take proactive measures to mitigate adverse impacts and capitalize on opportunities. Optimization of resources. Predictive analytics can help organizations optimize their resource allocation by identifying areas of inefficiency, predicting demand, and aligning costs with strategic objectives. Competitive advantage. Organizations that effectively leverage predictive analytics and cost management can gain a significant competitive advantage by reducing costs, improving efficiency, and making data-driven decisions that drive long-term value creation. To fully realize the benefits of predictive analytics, organizations must develop a robust data infrastructure, invest in the necessary talent and technology, and foster a culture of data-driven decision-making. Machine learning applications and cost management. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, is a key enabler of predictive analytics and cost management. Machine learning algorithms can automatically learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. This allows organizations to process vast amounts of structured and unstructured data, identify complex patterns and relationships, and generate accurate predictions and insights. Some common machine learning applications in cost management include cost driver analysis. Machine learning algorithms can analyze large datasets to identify the key drivers of costs, such as raw materials, labor, energy, and transportation. By understanding the relative impact of each cost driver, organizations can prioritize their cost reduction efforts and make informed decisions about resource allocation. Anomaly detection. Machine learning can be used to detect unusual patterns or anomalies in cost data, such as sudden spikes in expenses or deviations from expected trends. By identifying these anomalies in real time, organizations can quickly investigate and address potential issues before they escalate. Predictive maintenance. Machine learning algorithms can analyze sensor data from equipment and machinery to predict when maintenance is required, reducing downtime and extending asset life. This proactive approach to maintenance can significantly reduce costs associated with repairs and replacements. Demand forecasting. Machine learning can be used to predict future demand for products or services based on historical data, market trends, and external factors. By accurately forecasting demand, organizations can optimize their production plans, inventory levels, and supply chain operations, reducing costs and improving customer satisfaction. Fraud detection. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies in financial transactions that may indicate fraudulent activity, such as duplicate payments, false invoices, or employee misconduct. By detecting and preventing fraud, organizations can protect their financial resources and maintain the integrity of their cost management processes. To effectively implement machine learning in cost management, organizations must have access to high-quality, relevant data as well as the expertise to select, train, and validate appropriate algorithms. They must also ensure that the insights generated by machine learning are actionable and align with strategic objectives. Forecasting model development. Forecasting models are a critical component of predictive analytics and cost management. These models use historical data and statistical techniques to estimate future costs and performance, enabling organizations to plan and budget more effectively. The process of developing forecasting models typically involves the following steps. Problem definition. Clearly identify the specific cost management challenge or question that the forecasting model will address, such as predicting raw material prices or estimating future labor costs. Data collection and preparation gather relevant historical data from internal and external sources such as financial statements, operational records, and market indicators. Clean, format, and normalize the data to ensure consistency and reliability. Feature selection: identify the key variables or features that are most likely to influence the target variable, such as economic indicators, production volumes, or supplier performance metrics. Model selection: choose an appropriate forecasting model based on the characteristics of the data and the specific problem being addressed. Common models include time series analysis, regression analysis, and machine learning algorithms such as neural networks or decision trees. Model training and validation: split the data into training and testing sets and use the training data to estimate the model parameters. Validate the model's performance using the testing data and refine the model as needed to improve its accuracy and generalization. Model deployment and monitoring: implement the forecasting model in a production environment and use it to generate cost predictions and inform decision making. Continuously monitor the model's performance and update it as new data becomes available or business conditions change. To ensure the success of forecasting model development, organizations must involve cross-functional teams with expertise in finance, operations, and data science. They must also establish clear performance metrics and validation procedures to assess the accuracy and reliability of the models. Real-time cost monitoring systems. Real-time cost monitoring systems are a critical complement to predictive analytics and cost management. These systems continuously collect and analyze financial and operational data, providing organizations with up-to-date visibility into their cost performance and enabling timely decision-making. The key components of real-time cost monitoring systems include data integration. Real-time cost monitoring systems must be able to integrate data from multiple sources, such as enterprise resource planning systems, manufacturing execution systems, and supply chain management systems. This requires robust data integration tools and architectures, such as application programming interfaces and data lakes. Data processing and analysis. The system must be able to process and analyze large volumes of data in real time, using advanced analytics techniques such as stream processing, in-memory computing, and machine learning. This enables organizations to quickly identify trends, patterns, and anomalies in cost data. Data visualization and reporting. Real-time cost monitoring systems must provide intuitive, interactive dashboards and reports that enable users to easily explore and understand cost data. This includes drill-down capabilities, data filtering, and customizable views. Alerts and notifications. The system should be able to generate automated alerts and notifications when predefined cost thresholds or conditions are met, such as budget overruns or supplier price changes. This enables organizations to take prompt action to address potential issues. Integration with decision support systems. Real-time cost monitoring systems should be integrated with decision support systems, such as business intelligence tools and enterprise performance management platforms. This enables organizations to leverage cost data to inform strategic planning, budgeting, and forecasting processes. By implementing real-time cost monitoring systems, organizations can improve the timeliness, accuracy, and transparency of their cost management processes. This enables them to make more informed decisions, respond quickly to changing market conditions, and optimize their financial performance. Challenges and considerations. While predictive analytics offers significant benefits for cost management, organizations must also be aware of the challenges and considerations associated with its implementation. Data quality and availability. Predictive analytics relies on high-quality, relevant data to generate accurate insights. Organizations must ensure that their data is complete, consistent, and up-to-date, and that it is accessible and usable for analytics purposes. Skills and expertise. Implementing predictive analytics and cost management requires specialized skills and expertise in data science, machine learning, and financial analysis. Organizations must invest in talent development and recruitment to build the necessary capabilities. Integration with existing systems and processes. Predictive analytics must be integrated with existing cost management systems and processes, such as budgeting, forecasting, and reporting. This requires careful planning and coordination to ensure seamless data flow and alignment with business objectives. Interpretability and explainability. Predictive models can be complex and opaque, making it difficult for users to understand and trust the insights they generate. Organizations must ensure that their models are interpretable and explainable, and that users are trained to effectively use and communicate the results. Ethical and regulatory considerations. Predictive analytics and cost management must comply with relevant ethical and regulatory standards, such as data privacy, security, and fairness. Organizations must ensure that their analytics practices are transparent, accountable, and align with their values and responsibilities. To address these challenges, organizations must take a holistic, strategic approach to predictive analytics and cost management. They must develop a clear roadmap for implementation, engage stakeholders across the organization, and continuously monitor and adjust their analytics practices based on changing business needs and external conditions. The future of predictive analytics and cost management. As the volume, variety, and velocity of data continue to grow, and as advanced analytics technologies become more accessible and user-friendly, the potential applications of predictive analytics and cost management will only expand. Some of the emerging trends and opportunities in this field include cognitive automation. The integration of machine learning with robotic process automation and natural language processing will enable more intelligent, adaptive, and user-friendly cost management systems. These systems will be able to automatically extract insights from unstructured data, such as contracts and invoices, and provide conversational interfaces for users to interact with cost data. Prescriptive analytics. Beyond predicting future costs, prescriptive analytics will provide organizations with specific recommendations for optimizing their cost management strategies. This will involve the use of optimization algorithms, simulation models, and decision support systems to evaluate alternative scenarios and identify the best course of action. Blockchain and smart contracts. The use of blockchain technology and smart contracts will enable more secure, transparent, and automated cost management processes. This will include the tracking of financial transactions, the verification of supplier performance, and the execution of payments based on predefined conditions. Augmented reality and virtual reality. The use of augmented reality and virtual reality will enable more immersive, interactive, and collaborative cost management experiences. This will include the visualization of cost data in 3D environments, the simulation of production processes, and the remote collaboration of teams across different locations. Continuous learning and improvement. The ongoing development and refinement of predictive models will enable organizations to continuously learn from their cost management experiences and improve their practices over time. This will involve the use of feedback loops, A/B testing, and reinforcement learning techniques to optimize model performance and adapt to changing conditions. By staying ahead of these trends and investing in the necessary capabilities, organizations can position themselves for success in the rapidly evolving landscape of predictive analytics and cost management. Conclusion. Predictive analytics represents a transformative opportunity for cost management, enabling organizations to harness the power of machine learning, forecasting models, and real-time monitoring systems to optimize their financial performance and drive strategic growth. By leveraging vast amounts of data and advanced analytics techniques, organizations can gain deeper insights into their cost drivers, predict future trends and risks, and make proactive, data-driven decisions that create long-term value. To fully realize the benefits of predictive analytics and cost management, organizations must develop a comprehensive, strategic approach that addresses the key challenges and considerations, such as data quality, skills and expertise, integration with existing systems and processes, interpretability and explainability, and ethical and regulatory compliance. They must also stay attuned to the emerging trends and opportunities in this field, such as cognitive automation, prescriptive analytics, blockchain and smart contracts, augmented and virtual reality, and continuous learning and improvement. Ultimately, the success of predictive analytics and cost management will depend on the ability of organizations to foster a culture of data-driven decision-making, invest in the necessary talent and technology, and continuously adapt and innovate in response to changing business needs and market conditions. By embracing this transformative potential, organizations can not only reduce costs and improve efficiency, but also unlock new sources of value and competitiveness in an increasingly complex and uncertain world.